Come on.
The wind is fickle.
Yeah. You can see those wings, that wing just flopping back and forth.
Mm-hmm. Can't tell what it's going to do. There. You got engines wind in.
Mm-hmm. I just wish it was closer. It's climbed. That wind has brought it, taken it up.
Yeah. Look at that thing looks like it's flying sideways coming this way.
Uh-huh.
That wind's kind of blowing that way.
Yeah. You can see how the wind's blowing it.
Yeah.
I got the throttle all the way down.
Now you wouldn't have flown in this unless I'd have kind of insisted on it this morning. But now you having fun, ain't you?
I'm having fun.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It ain't gonna float going downwind.
No. Alright. Wind kind of died down. I caught me some wind right there.
Yeah. You're almost in the clouds.
I'm bringing it down a little bit.
I know you can't see them because you're flying way up there in the sky. That blame buzzards.
Yeah, I saw one. Oh, come on. Oh man.
Oh, you got a little right there.
Yeah. Remember when we would have our mini apprentices up here and would do that? See how long one could just stand up like that?
You caught the wind just right for that pass.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you hit the wind just right on that one.